We're seeing a sudden increase in hospitalizations and positive testing.
Scripps Health CEO Chris Van Gorder says just in the last few days, more and more San Diegans are coming in with the virus needing to be hospitalized.
Literally from the 23rd, we've gone from 80 admissions to 119 admissions. So that's a huge increase, and we're seeing the same in testing.
Van Gorder says testing positivity is also increasing as many rushed out to check for the virus before holiday gatherings. We've seen long lines at some county sites, a trend that's also hitting the nation.
Seeing how tough it was for some folks to get a test this weekend shows that we have more work to do, and we're doing it.
President Biden said today that Omicron is a concern, but we're prepared and people should not panic. The more transmissible variant is likely responsible for the uptick in cases, and while hospitalizations are increasing with millions vaccinated, this will be a different winter than last.
We will not see hospitalizations like it was a year ago. A year ago on January 8th, we had 500 patients in the hospital. We're not going to see that kind of hospitalization rate because of vaccinations.
Van Gorder says modeling shows hospitalizations peaking in January and says their system will be stretched.
Every hospital has staffing shortages right now. There's a huge amount of burnout, fatigue that our people have been fighting COVID every day for the last 2 years.
If hospitalizations keep increasing, healthcare giants like Scripps may have to scale back other procedures. To help avoid that, Van Gorder is asking people to get vaccinated or get boosted.
That is the best protection. Many of the people with vaccinations will probably see a mild case of COVID. Those without vaccinations take a much higher risk.
Van Gorder says a new antiviral treatment for COVID should be arriving in San Diego soon. He says that the majority of the hospitalizations and deaths they are seeing are in the unvaccinated. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.